This dessert is a hit. Everyone wants the recipe. In a container, add 2 packets of strawberry flavored gelatin. Now add 300 ml of hot water. Now just mix very well. Once that's done, just add another 300 ml of cold water and stir again. Set aside and now grease a dish with a little oil. Pour all the gelatin into this dish and refrigerate until it hardens. In a blender, add 395 grams of condensed milk, 400 grams of sour cream, 1 cup of powdered milk, remembering that my cup is 240 ml. Now put the lid on and let it. Right after, add a pack of already hydrated unflavored gelatin. Let it beat a little longer and it's ready. Now just turn it off and throw it over the already hardened gelatin. Now refrigerate again and leave for at least 3 hours. And look how wonderful, guys! This dessert is very beautiful and tasty. Make this recipe at home. I'm sure that everyone will love it. This dessert is mouth-watering. I hope you enjoyed. This is another little recipe here from the Pooh in the Kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.